Is your friends list looking like a ghost town even though you know your squad is online? Don't let a social bug stop you from joining the party, because I am going to show you how to fix your PSN friends list right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we are breaking down the 10 best advanced solutions to fix the PS4 friends not showing online glitch. This issue usually happens because of a synchronization error between your console and the Sony servers, or a local privacy setting that has locked your status. Essentially, your console is stuck in an offline state even when you are connected to the web. Step 1. Toggle your online status. Go to your profile and manually set your status to appear offline. Wait 10 seconds and then switch it back to online. This simple toggle often forces the servers to refresh your connection. Step 2. Sign out of PSN and back in. Go to your account management settings and choose Sign Out. Restart your console completely and sign back in to refresh your account credentials and the social database. Step 3. Perform a full power cycle. Turn off your PS4 and unplug the power cable for 3 minutes. This clears the system cache and resets the network card, which can resolve deep communication errors with the PlayStation Network. Step 4. Use the PlayStation app trick. Open the official app on your phone and check your friends list there. Often, seeing your friends on the app triggers a sync that pushes the data through to your console. Step 5. Change your DNS settings. A slow connection can prevent the social list from loading correctly. Set your primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and your secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4 for a faster path to the servers. Step 6. Rebuild your database. Power down your console and hold the power button for 7 seconds until the second beep to enter safe mode. Select Rebuild Database to fix any corrupted file paths affecting your social features. Step 7. Check your privacy settings. Go to your account settings and select Privacy. Ensure that your online status and now playing settings are set to anyone or friends only, so the system doesn't accidentally hide you and others. Step 8. Test your internet connection. Go to the network settings and run a connection test. This forces the console to verify its handshake with the PlayStation Network and can often wake up a stuck friends list. Step 9. Reset your router. Sometimes your router's firewall blocks the specific social ports used by PSN. A quick reboot of your router can clear these temporary blocks and allow the friend data to flow through. Step 10. Update your system software. Ensure your PS4 is running the latest firmware. Sony frequently releases small patches that fix background bugs related to the social UI and server communication. Here's a bonus pro tip. If you still can't see friends, try sending a quick text message to one of them through the console. Initiating a direct communication often bypasses the general list and forces the system to show that person as online. If you face any difficulty or your list is still empty, please comment below. I am staying active in the thread and I will reply to your questions within 1 hour. If this guide helped you find your squad, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Your lobby is waiting and I will see you in the next one.